CXOs beware. Hackers have a 100% success rate, and it's only getting easier. Every CXO we targeted was compromised within 90 days, on a budget of less than $5,000. Charles Tyndall. The modern hacker playbook includes AI-powered phishing, deepfake impersonation, credential stuffing, synthetic identity fraud, lateral malware, and ransomware for both cloud and on-prem environments. As attacks grow smarter, IT leaders must match strategy with speed, especially in finance, healthcare, and banking. At SoverAIgn Solutions, we're your AI partner of the future, delivering actively managed IT resilience across cloud and AI adoption, cybersecurity and compliance data analytics, and automation smart platform, hardware, modernization, and IT resilience. Ready to secure your leadership and future-proof your infrastructure? Visit sovereign.solutions or message us for a confidential threat readiness review. SoverAIgn Solutions defend smarter, scale securely, lead with AI.